hay that I don't think I took it. My dad cut it, and I didn't take any video of tedding or raking. I raked it a couple hours ago. But this is like on that waterway. It's along the ditch behind my dad's. But got rained on a few times. It was nice and clean. But it's not that much. Only 2 or 3 acres. So we're just gonna round bale it up real quick, and then we're gonna go try to go finish baling straw. We're gonna try to finish going to bale straw. So I've been pretty busy today. I had to go custom cut a hayfield this morning, and I didn't take any video of that. I just didn't. I brought the camera, but I forgot to get it out. And then I've been raking. I raked this hay, and then I raked quite a bit of straw so I could round bale it this evening. And that didn't seem very interesting to me, so I didn't take a video of that. And you guys have seen this quite a bit, so I probably don't need to show this that much. I might put the camera out on the round baler for a little bit, but we'll see. Making nice round bales. Got it. Actually, looks like pretty decent hay. But yeah, we cut this last weekend, and today is Sunday. We cut this last Sunday, and that hay is already starting to come back quite a bit, and the pickup is picking up some of that hay that's coming up. So it's putting some green stuff, not a lot, just every once in a while I'll see a little bit of green going into the pickup. But after I get this baled, I'll have everything be done doing hay for maybe a week or two. And I thought it took all summer to get a week off. I thought maybe I could go do something with the kids, but school starts this week for Ben, so not a lot we can do there. So fair is coming up, so we'll get to spend quite a bit of time up there. that's it for this little field. It made 7 bales. Whatever. Up 2 or 3 acres ain't too bad. Plus there's a small one in there. 38-inch bale. So take it, throw it up to Pretty Boy. But he has been at the horse has been over at the neighbors all weekend because he destroyed his fence. So that's what we did, or what I did most of the day yesterday, is fix fence at my dad's house, because we had to put all new corner post in, a new gate. The gate was really old, not very good anyway. But yeah, we did that all day yesterday. And Pretty Boy, that horse up there, he hasn't been loaded in a horse trailer in 12 years. And took me about half an hour to get him loaded up first time to go over to the neighbors. And I got him in there, and that fat horse trapped me in the trailer with him. He wanted to stick his head out the window of the horse trailer. I had a heck of a time getting out by myself. He didn't mean it. There wasn't nothing mean. He just wanted to stick his head out the window, and I had to be in the trailer to get him in. So, but when I went and got him today from the neighbors and to bring him back, he hopped right in the trailer pretty easy. So he's only been loaded once in his life before then, and it went pretty good considering. But yeah, that's what we did yesterday. And now we're gonna go bale some straw. We'll drop this round bale off to the horse, and then we'll go bale some straw. So maybe see you in a little bit. Well, now we're baling straw. And I'll have to change the net wrap, because the little 38-inch bale would have been perfect for the amount of net wrap I have left. But for some reason it wouldn't catch right that little bale. So we'll have to make one bale and change it out. See that little bit of net wrap on there? I'm not superstitious, but I'm a little stitious. Ever since I left that on there, I have not had any net wrap issues. Superstition. Well, we baled, I don't know, 57 round bales of straw, and I went and picked up, I baled some small squares a while ago, and I went and picked them, some of them up today, but I don't think I had the baler set right because them bales are way too long. So give me all kinds of fits. So